What would you do if you didn't have to worry about money anymore? Imagine a life where your financial obligations are met without you having to clock in every day. This is the promise of financial independence, a state where your assets generate enough income to cover your expenses, freeing you from the need to actively work for your income. Financial independence is not the exclusive domain of the ultra-rich. It's a goal within reach for anyone willing to understand and apply the principles of wealth creation. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or simply enjoy the fruits of your labor without the constant worry of making ends meet. Key to achieving financial independence is the concept of passive income. Passive income, as the name suggests, is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's money that keeps flowing in, even when you're not actively working. It could come from rental properties, dividends from investments, royalties from a book you wrote, or even a side business that requires minimal supervision. The common thread? Once set up, these income streams continue to generate money on their own. The beauty of passive income is that it's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it continues to roll, it gathers more snow, growing larger and faster. In the same way, the income from your passive streams can be reinvested to create more income streams, creating a virtuous cycle of wealth creation. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor is it a license to laze around. It requires patience, strategic planning, and a keen understanding of money management. But the rewards are worth the effort. It's about gaining control over your time and your life, creating a safety net that allows you to weather life's ups and downs, and building a legacy that can benefit your loved ones. Now let's dive into how you can start to build your own passive income streams. So, what exactly is passive income? Let's dive into it. Picture a river flowing with money, where the water never stops, and you don't have to lift a finger to keep it going. That, in essence, is passive income. It's money that you earn with little to no daily effort, a revenue stream that continues to flow even when you're not actively working. Think of it this way. There are 24 hours in a day. If you're like most people, you're probably working 8 or 9 of those hours. That's active income, where your earnings are directly tied to the amount of time you work. If you don't work, you don't get paid. It's as simple as that. Passive income, on the other hand, is entirely different. It's income that keeps rolling in, even when you're sleeping, vacationing, or just lounging around. It's not about trading time for money. Instead, it's about setting up sources of income that continue to pay you long after the initial effort has been made. Now you might be wondering, why should you consider passive income? Well, the benefits are manifold. First off, it can lead to financial freedom. When you're no longer trading your time for money, you're essentially breaking free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. You can live life on your own terms without worrying about the next paycheck. Secondly, passive income allows you to work less while earning more. The goal isn't to make work unnecessary. Rather, it's about choosing to work because you want to, not because you have to. It's about having the flexibility and the freedom to pursue your passions and interests. And lastly, passive income can provide a safety net, a financial cushion that can help you weather life's unpredictable storms. It's about creating multiple streams of income that can help you build wealth over time. Now that we understand what passive income is, let's explore some ways to generate it. Ready to start building your passive income streams? You're probably wondering where to begin. Well, the good news is there are countless ways to generate passive income, and today we're going to walk through a few of the most common. Firstly, let's talk about investing. This is probably the most traditional form of passive income. Investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate can be a great way to generate a stream of income. As your investments grow, so does your income. However, keep in mind, investing requires knowledge and understanding of the market. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy. But what if you're not interested in diving into the world of Wall Street? No worries. There's still plenty of opportunity for you. Have you ever considered owning rental property? This can be a fantastic source of passive income. You purchase a property, rent it out, and then collect a monthly check. Sure, there's some maintenance and management involved, but with the right property and tenants, it can be a steady source of income. Now, if you're the creative type, you might want to consider running a blog or a YouTube channel. Yes, it does require some work up front, but once you've established a following, you can generate income through advertising, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Plus, it's a great way to share your passion with others. But let's not forget about the digital frontier. Consider developing an app or an online course. Once you've created your product, every sale is pure profit. Again, it requires some initial effort, but the potential for income is considerable. Or maybe you have a knack for design. Websites like Etsy and Redbubble allow you to sell your designs on anything from t-shirts to coffee mugs. You create the design, they handle the manufacturing and shipping, and you get a cut of the profits. It's a win-win situation. And lastly, don't overlook the power of affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. It's a simple and low-risk way to start generating passive income. Now remember, these are just a few examples. The opportunities for passive income are practically limitless. The key is to find something that suits your skills and interests. Then invest your time and energy up front to create a valuable product or service. But here's the most important piece of advice. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. By having multiple streams of passive income, you reduce your risk and increase your chances of financial success. Remember, the key to building passive income is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Once you've set up your passive income streams, it's important to maintain them. Now, don't be fooled by the term passive income. While it does mean you can earn money without actively working, it doesn't mean you can just set it and forget it. Think of it like a garden. Once you've planted the seeds, you still need to water them, pull weeds, and protect them from pests if you want to see them flourish. Let's consider a few examples. Say you've started a blog or a YouTube channel. You've done the hard work of setting it up, creating content, and building an audience. But to keep that audience coming back, you'll need to regularly update with fresh, engaging content. You'll also need to keep an eye on your analytics, understand what's working and what isn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Or perhaps you've invested in rental properties. Sure, the rent checks may come in every month, but there's still the matter of property management, dealing with tenant issues, ensuring the property is maintained and any repairs are carried out, and keeping up with real estate market trends to know when to raise rent or make other strategic decisions. Even with investments in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you'll need to regularly review your portfolio and rebalance it based on your financial goals and market conditions. But here's the good news. Maintaining your passive income streams doesn't necessarily mean doing all the work yourself. You can hire a property manager, work with a financial advisor, or use automation tools for your blog or YouTube channel. It's about being smart with your resources and knowing when to delegate or outsource. The key point here is this: maintaining your passive income streams is crucial to their long-term success. It's about regular check-ins, making adjustments as needed, and reinvesting profits back into your income streams to help them grow. So, while the initial setup of your passive income streams may require the biggest investment of time and effort, don't underestimate the importance of the upkeep. Just like a well-tended garden, your passive income streams can provide a bountiful harvest if properly cared for. Remember, passive income isn't completely passive. It requires some upkeep and attention. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by delving into the promise of financial independence, a beacon of hope for so many. We then unraveled the concept of passive income, a powerful tool that enables you to earn money without trading time for it. We discovered that passive income isn't just a dream, but a tangible reality, achievable through careful planning and strategic decisions. Our journey took us through the steps to building passive income streams. We learned that the process begins with identifying potential sources, followed by investing time, money, or both into these opportunities. We also uncovered the importance of diversification in safeguarding our financial future. But the learning doesn't stop there. We emphasize the significance of maintaining your passive income streams. Regular assessment, adjustments, and reinvestments are crucial to ensure their longevity and growth. Remember, the path to financial independence is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep building your passive income streams.